Hello friends, this is Dr. Divyanka, a friend of Neha, and welcome to Neha's channel. I would like to suggest you to please like her channel, subscribe, and please share the videos. She has been taking so much hard work for. और आज के दिन में कुछ पॉइंट्स नेहा ने मुझे शेयर करने के लिए आपसे कहे हैं, तो वो कुछ पॉइंट्स मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाहूँगी. शी वांटेड टू मी टू शेयर व्यूज़ ऑन करंट सिचुएशन जो भी आजकल चल रही है. सो फर्स्टली मैं नेहा का और मेरा बॉन्ड आपको शेयर करना चाहूँगी. नेहा इज़ माई स्कूल फ्रेंड. मैं उसको स्कूल से जानती हूँ, जब से हम आई गेस फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड से हम साथ में हैं. लेटर ऑन मैं मुंबई मूव आउट हुई. नेहा इज स्टिल इन विरार, बट वी स्टिल शेयर अ ग्रेट बॉन्ड वेन एवर आई नीड हर. और जब भी उसे मुझे मेरी ज़रूरत होती है तो वी आर देयर ऑलवेज फॉर ईच अदर. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई लाइक अबाउट दिस रिलेशनशिप, दिस फ्रेंडशिप, कि भले हम बहुत दिन तक बात नहीं किए या बहुत दिन तक कांटेक्ट में नहीं थे, इतने साल से हम नहीं कांटेक्ट में थे, बट स्टिल द बॉन्ड इज़ गोइंग ग्रेट एंड आई एम थैंकफुल फॉर दैट टू गॉड एंड टू नेहा ऑलवेज. Secondly, myself, Dr. Divyanka. I'm a doctor. Yes, I'm working in a COVID center. I'm a COVID warrior, and few things she wanted me to share to you. So let's get started with that. First was she wanted me to introduce myself to my profession. I'm an ICU doctor. I'm an ICU, working in ICU as well as in wards. Currently, whatever the situation is going on, कोई भी नहीं चाहेगा कि कोई हॉस्पिटल जाए. दूसरा क्वेश्चन उसने मुझसे पूछा कि हाउ आई फील टू गो टू द हॉस्पिटल. सो माई फीलिंग रिगार्डिंग इज, सी, इट्स माई प्रोफेशन, इट्स माई वर्क एंड आई हैव टू गो regardless of what I feel, regardless of what I am having right now, what I am going through, I have to go. That's my work, that's my profession, that's what I worship. My work is my worship. और अगर नॉर्मल पीपल की बात की जाए तो किसी भी नॉर्मल पीपल को हॉस्पिटल जाना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है टू गेट सिरिंजेस और टू गेट एनी इन्वेस्टिगेशंस. जैसे एक कहावत है कि पुलिस की, कोर्ट की और हॉस्पिटल की सीढ़ियाँ कभी चढ़नी नहीं चाहिए. इस करंट सिचुएशन में तो कोई भी नहीं चाहेगा कि हॉस्पिटल जाए, बट आई वुड सजेस्ट यू कि आपको कोई भी अगर तकलीफ़ हो और कोई भी ऐसे सिम्टम्स दिखे तो प्लीज़ डोंट पैनिक. कंसल्ट योर लोकल डॉक्टर, कंसल्ट योर हॉस्पिटल डॉक्टर, जो भी आपसे पास में है, रिलेटेड है. एंड नेहा डज दैट ऑलवेज. उसे जब भी ज़रूरत हो, शी ऑलवेज मैसेजेस मी एंड कंसल्ट्स मी. एंड आई एम ग्रेटफुल कि मेरी एजुकेशन, व्हाट आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग, इज़ बीन यूजफुल टू मैनी अदर्स पीपल. I have been doing free consultations. ऐसा नहीं है कि I am getting paid for any other consultations जो भी मैं करती हूँ. But yeah, it's in part of humanity. We are there to look out for the humans around us. It could be anyone. आज किसी और के पेरेंट्स हैं, किसी और की फैमिली है, कल मेरी फैमिली हो सकती है, आपकी फैमिली हो सकती है. So please keep your humanity sane. Please keep your humanity intact. We all are in this together. Yes, our boats are different, our journeys are different, but we will get through this one day, sure. और फिर yes, I feel like a burden to going to hospital because आज क्या देखने मिलेगा मुझे नया. सीखने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ चीज़ें हैं, but sometimes it feels so heartbroken to see deaths, people around us, people crying around us, अपने रिलेटिव्स को, अपने जो भी पास वाले हैं उन्हें छोड़कर जाना इस कोविड सेंटर में, और जो भी है वो बहुत ड्रेडफुल सिनारियो होता है जब हम देखते हैं उस चीज़ को. सेकेंडली, येस, आई एम फीलिंग प्राउड ऑल्सो फॉर दैट कि आई एम वर्किंग टूवर्ड्स अ बेटरमेंट, टूवर्ड्स देयर बेटरमेंट. कहीं ना कहीं तो आई एम गिविंग माई पार्ट ऑफ शेयर टू डू समथिंग फॉर आवर कंट्री, फॉर आवर वर्ल्ड, फॉर द पीपल मेनली. आई डोंट बिलीव इन डिफरेंशिएशन, rather than first is to be considered as the humanity. Second, मेरा वर्क टाइम और मैं कहाँ स्टे करती हूँ उसके बारे में मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाहूँगी। मेरा वर्क टाइम फिक्स नहीं होता है। व्हेनेवर आई गेट कॉल आई हैव टू गो, आई हैव टू बी देयर व्हेनेवर आई हैव टू बी। सेकेंडली, ऐसा कोई टाइम नहीं है कि आप अगर जा रहे हैं तो यू हैव टू कम बैक एट दिस एन आवर. If I'm working at this hospital for 8 hours and if I get called for other hospital, I have to run over there. I cannot say ki I cannot come because it's a kind of responsibility over me to look after that patients. अगर नहीं देखूँगी तो what is the use of me of doing such education, for investing my time and money for this education, and if I am not being useful for the people I am studying. So yeah, कभी कभी 2-3 दिन I don't go to the hotel also. I am staying in a hotel right now because I cannot affect my family because of myself. I cannot get them infected. So yeah, I don't visit them very oftenly, but once a week I कभी कभी 2 weeks हो जाते हैं मैं उन्हें नहीं देख पाती, but yeah, I visit them surely once a week or something. Yeah, I cannot visit them daily because you know the risk factors of visiting them. Yeah, कभी 2-3 दिन होटल में मैं 2-3 दिन कभी होटल में नहीं जाती. Continuous I have 48 hours shift. I have more than 72. Last I have been doing 72 hours shift last week maybe. So yeah, it's quite exhausting, but you have to see. अभी टाइम है, जब भी हमें टाइम होता है उसी टाइम में हमें like it's the need of the time, and we have to do our part. Everyone has to do their part. I am doing mine. I hope you are doing yours. And what keeps me going? Yeah, first of all I think like मेरा तो फर्स्ट यही फंडा है कि आज मैं किसी के लिए अच्छा कर रही हूँ, कल कोई को और मेरे लिए अच्छा कर सकता है. It's not like कि मैं always, I'm a human. I cannot stay here for a while. I have issues. I have to look after my family also. So family is my main strength. What keeps me going? कि आज मैं किसी और के लिए काम कर रही हूँ, शायद कल मेरी फैमिली को कोई और देख सकता है जब मैं नहीं रहूँगी. And that's the part I share कि humanity comes first. Always that keeps me going. कि whatever I have first is humanity, what keeps me going. Second is what I have studied and what I am doing my part on my side. कि मैंने जो भी एजुकेशन लिया है इतने साल में, अगर वो इस समय में यूज़ नहीं होगा तो कब होगा. Thirdly, I'm not a cheating person. I'm an honest to my job, and I don't feel the need to cheat. Why to cheat when you have been gifted with this? I know I had other talents, so I had many hobbies rather than being a doctor. I had been a dancer, I had been a painter, I had been a poet. I have many other hobbies too, but I chose to be a doctor because I thought कि my kind of service would help humans first rather than myself. Or I'm thankful for God that He has blessed me so much with this. Not with the intellectual, but everyone around me. So yeah, that keeps me going. Everyone around me keeps going. The humanity keeps me going. The love for the people, the love to work keeps me going. And the main thing is that you should love your work. Whatever you are doing, you should love it. And it keeps you going and motivating you to go further. Focus on your career rather than all the things around you. Fifth question she asked me about was environment affecting my mental and physical health. What are the things that are, and these things, how they are affecting my mental and physical health? First of all, I would like to share that even I am a human. Yes, doctors are human too. I am suffering from PCOS. So everyone might be knowing what PCOS is. It is causing me great damage to my body also, the workload. But I try to cope up from my side with it. I try to keep my routine and my pattern in a linear way. Yes, it affects my mental health too, because hospital is a place where there's so much of negativity. Like people are dying, people are crying, people are losing everything. You can see the negativity here, but we are here. The doctors, nurses, staff, everyone here are working so hard to create that environment, to get into a positivity, so that a person who is feeling negative can get through his situation and get a feeling of positivity, a feeling of enlightenment, a feeling of enchantment, what he needs actually. See, being sick is what causes you lose your inner strength. हम अंदर से बहुत कमज़ोर महसूस करते हैं और हम बीमार जब होते हैं, बट वेन वी ट्राई टू कोप अप अवर इनर सेल्फ, हम स्ट्रेंथ देना स्टार्ट करते हैं। बाहर से जब हम किसी को सपोर्ट करते हैं, हमारे दो शब्द भी, हमारा एक स्माइल भी दूसरे के लिए काफ़ी है। एंड इवन वी नीड दैट टू, दैट इज़ आवर स्ट्रेंथ टू। वी नीड टू बी cared of too, because we are humans, we are working hard and we need your support too. And I hope you get that what I'm saying, because at the end it's all about we should love each other, we should help each other, we should care about each other. That's all it is about. Yes, there is lot of negativity affecting our mental health, because we are not able to give time to our loved ones, to our family, to our friends, whatever. We are sacrificing that things because of this. But at the end, I know whatever we are doing, whatever we as a community are doing together, the results are going to be the best and the glorious. And rather, what about I'll be speaking about my physical health. So yeah, I'll be coping up it soon, and I'll be doing great with that. Hope just pray for me. What keeps me motivated, enthusiastic, I have already shared with you. My love for humans, my love for my family, my education, my part of service. Message to the aspirants who aspire to be a medical health worker. Just focus on humanity first. Just keep yourself in the place of the people you are treating, in the place of the people whose पेशेंट्स आ रहे हैं, जो रिलेटिव्स हैं, उनके प्लेस पे रख के देखिए कि अगर आज मैं यहाँ हूँ, मैं उनके लिए कुछ कर सकती हूँ, तो कल उनकी जगह पे मेरी फैमिली भी हो सकती है, वो सिचुएशन मेरे लिए भी हो सकती है. Just try to keep yourself in their place and you will be getting right on their way. Yes, you will be imagining things, how a person will be suffering. And that's the main thing that keeps you going on. And whatever you're doing, love it. Love your work. Try to keep yourself engaged in that, but intellectually, smartly, and lovingly. And you'll be loving what you do, whatever you are aspiring to become, whatever you are aspiring to serve with your profession, to people, to humanity, to country, and to the world. And lastly, what message I would like to give is, please love one another, please help one another in such times. Not only doctors, not only the staff, but I would advise medical staff and people to help people cope up with their emotional loss, whatever they have been going through. And also I request people to understand the medical staff, whatever they have been doing, they have been away from their families only to work for the betterment of the society, for the betterment of the people. Whatever they are doing, they are sacrificing the things. I won't compare their sacrifice to any other, like for the soldiers and all, but on every parts, everyone is sacrificing. So I would just like to share ki just cope up with each other, love each other, help each other, care for each other. That's all you need and you'll be great going forward. Lastly, please wear masks. Please sanitize your hands every now and then. Please try to maintain social distance. What I have been observing from last few days since the unlock has been done, people are really not following what we are conveying to people. Exactly this is the case because of this there are numbers increasing day by day. You are not being seeing what the situation is inside ICU. People are dying for oxygen which is getting for free. Nature has given oxygen for free and people are dying because of lack of that, because of lack of oxygen. See how bad is this to see a man die because he cannot breathe. COVID has not only affected our physical health, but I guess it has affected our mental health too. Our freedom has been lost, we cannot go anywhere. There are many things, but I suggest कि अगर एक साल ये सब चीज़ हम ना करें तो I guess we have lifetime to do for that. And please maintain precautions. Whatever everyone has been suggesting you to do, please follow that. Please wear masks. And there are ways to wear masks. I would like to enhance over that. Don't wear a mask below your nose. Very much sorry for the interruption. Yeah, please wear mask. There are ways to wear mask. Wear a mask over your nose, covering your nose, mouth, because these are the sides the virus enters from. This is the most exposure site for virus. Please wear mask. Stay safe, stay home, and love each other, care for each other. Very sorry, I would like to add one more point in that कि if in any case of emergency अगर आपको लगता है कि you are suffering from the symptoms what COVID-19 symptoms are, like breathlessness, cough, fever, abdominal pain, restlessness, loss of appetite, loss of smell, loss of taste, these headache, body ache, this are kind of many of symptoms. A physician has said that except pregnancy and fracture, you will be seeing many of the symptoms in COVID. So if you feel like if you are suffering from any kind of symptom, please consult your local doctor. Please get through the investigations done, and if you want bed availability, please call 1916, the BNC helpline number, for the help. They will guide you for further bed availability near your area, where you could find a quarantine facility, IC facility for your loved ones, for your beloved ones. Thank you so much. If you want to get details about that, please you can contact me. You can feel free to share and free to contact me over my Instagram. Dr. Foodie Moody is my Instagram ID, and also I am on Facebook. You can contact me over there. So bye bye, take care people, love you all. Please take care of each other, please take care of us too, and hope we will be getting corona free soon, very soon, if we help each other. And please like, share and subscribe Neha's channel. She is my friend and she is doing the best she could do for helping you all. And see ya, love ya.